Welcome to the in front of me HONOR Magic4 Lite, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to home screen and wallpaper. Then you'll see here the wallpaper section. Just click here once, and after that we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery, previously taken photo on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use our default wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Click here on the right down corner to set wallpaper and select lock screen. Wait just a couple of seconds. And now let's lock the device. And we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first push and hold for a while, or just slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, and then on the left down corner we will see here the wallpaper section. Click here and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers and select here lock screen. Now just let's lock the device. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.